In this short video, we're going to look at a really engaging app called Mathfight. So open it up and press continue, and then play. Now at that point you can choose how hard you want the levels to be, and you can choose whether you want it to just be addition or just subtraction. I'm going to choose addition and choose medium, and then press play. Now it gives you just a quick qualifying question while it loads, and then when you're ready, press skip and you can start. Now this is a two-player game. Ideally you want to be head-to-head against somebody else, and the idea is that you want to answer the questions as quickly as you possibly can. However, you don't want to just jam the screen, because if you get one of the questions wrong, then it starts to deduct points. So really the idea is that you get it right first time as quick as you possibly can, and as you can see here, you build up points and lose points accordingly. The competitive element of the app just kind of adds to the enjoyment, and 9 times out of 10 a lot of children who engage with Mathfight find that they're enjoying it so much that they forget that they're actually doing any maths, and in the background they're building up these really quite important mathematical skills and speeding up how quickly they can work out sums in their head. After 1 minute of gameplay, it's all over and the winner will be declared. So there you go, Mathfight, a really good app to use and well worth downloading.